Hello everyone. Let's see how to set this Python interpreter into the PyCharm. So currently we do not have any Python interpreter configured for this project. And if I'm going to run this file, it will ask me to run the interpreter, but I do not have set any kind of interpreter into my settings. So let's cancel it. Go to your settings. Inside the setting, in the search box, type the interpreter. So once when you have selected the interpreter section, it will ask you for the Python interpreter. Still, we do not have any. So let's add the interpreter which from the local. So from the local, what it will do, it will check all the installed Python libraries into your system and it will give you a list to you. So I will select this 3.12.6 and what type of environment you need to create. So I'm going to create a virtual environment. So let's click on OK. It will take about a minute to complete. Okay, so it is completed and now we have this interpreter. Let's click on OK. Now again, whatever the file you want to run from this run section, go to your current file, do the edit configuration. Inside the Python, go to the important file in which you want to run. So see here, now you can in the drop down, you can see the interpreter which you have selected. And okay, that's great. So let's run this file and see the interpreter 3.12.6 which we have configured is running on this file. That's it. Thank you.